Polynomials consist of terms like x to the power m's. So I can have like x squared, x5, x to the 100, whatever. But they do not consist of terms like m to the power x. Therefore, this is a polynomial. I have degree 2, degree 1, degree 0. This is also a polynomial, degree 3. This is also a polynomial, degree 6. But this is not a polynomial because 6 to the x is not an element of polynomial. That's why the right answer is D. Polynomial is the highest power of x we have, and here the highest power x is 7. That's why the degree of this polynomial is equal to 7. In parentheses, I have x squared minus 8 here, minus 4x squared minus 3, which is going to be equal to how many x squares do I have? 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3x squared minus 8 minus 3, 11. This is my answer. Expanding the parentheses, 3a squared minus 4a plus 6 minus 2a squared plus 5a plus 8, which is going to be equal to 3 minus 2. I have only one a squared left, and I have minus 4 plus 5. I have 1a, and I have 6 plus 8, 14. This is the answer. Let's expand the parentheses. This is going to be equal to 4x squared minus 4 times 3, 12, plus 10x squared plus 30, which is going to be equal to 4 plus 10, which is equal to 14x squared minus 12 plus 30 is equal to 18. This is the answer. Here, since we don't have any, let's expand the parentheses first. What we're going to have is minus 3x squared plus x minus 8 minus 2x squared plus 2x plus 2, which is going to be equal to minus 3 minus 2, which is minus 5x squared plus 1 plus 2, which makes plus 3x minus 8 plus 2, which makes minus 6. This is the answer. Ending the parentheses, x squared plus 6y minus 3x squared. That's why this is going to be plus 3x squared minus 4 plus 4 minus 3 plus 3y, which is going to be equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4x squared plus 6 plus 3 is equal to 9y plus 4. As you remember, the area of a square is given by the square of one side. That's why this area is going to be 3m plus 2's square. So let's expand this. 3m plus 2 times 3m plus 2. Expanding this, what I'm going to have is 3m times 3m, 9m square plus 3m times 2, 3m, so 6m plus 2 times 3, 6m plus 4, which is going to be equal to 9m squared plus 12m plus 4. Let's see the degrees of each monomial first. The degree of this monomial is 1 plus 2 equal to 3. The degree of this one is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 again. This one is 4 plus 3. This is the degree of 7. And the last one is 2 plus 4. This is degree of 6. And the highest degree within these is 7. That's why the degree of this polynomial is 7. Probably you had recognized that this x squared plus 8x plus 16 is actually the square of x plus 4, which is going to be divided by x plus 4. So this is going to be cancelled out. So what I'm going to have is just x plus 4, which is the answer. Somebody has a rectangular garden, so the area of this garden is equal to A times B. And I know the area and I know one of the sides. What I'm trying to find out is the other side. We have a polynomial division here. Let's perform that. We have 4x squared minus 4x minus 8. So we need to divide this into x minus 2. Let's do this. We have to multiply this polynomial by 4x, so that we're going to have 4x squared here, and we're going to have minus 8x here. Then we change the signs. This is going to be negative, this is going to be positive. These x squares will cancel out. X minus 4 plus 8, I'm going to have 8x, I'm going to have 4x here. This 8 will come down here, and now I'm going to have to multiply this with just by 4. 4 times x is equal to 4x. 4 times, this is going to be plus, 4 times 2 is equal to, minus 2 is equal to minus 8. So when I subtract these, I'm going to be left with nothing. This is my answer, 4x plus 4. This is going to be a simplification. Let's see. First polynomial. There must be two numbers that their multiplication is 12 and their sum is 7, which could be only 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. And about the second one here, there must be two numbers of which their sum is equal to 8 and their multiplication is equal to 15. Therefore, what we have here is 3 and 5. When you sum 3 and 5, you're going to end up with 8, and when you multiply them, you're going to have 15. Therefore, I just write x plus 3 times x plus 5. X plus 3's cancel each other out. What I have left is equal to x plus 4 over x plus 5, which is my answer.